This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado. It's an LTZ, has the max tow package, which means it came with the 6.2 liter V8 and the 8-speed transmission. It's an L86 Ecotec 3. And the problem I'm having, as you can see it's apart, is we were towing with it and it developed a bottom end noise. So we immediately stopped and checked it out, and ended up being a spun bearing. Dropped the oil pan, found the spun bearing right away. Well, the issue I have is when I drained the oil, it was full of gas. So this being direct injection, my theory is maybe the seals went bad in the high pressure fuel pump. What I'm trying to figure out is this a known issue to these trucks, or is it something that's just now developing that we're going to see 2 years from now? I know Chevy has some recalls on the newer engines, but I haven't heard a whole lot about issues with high pressure fuel pumps, things like that on an L86. So I'm making this video to ask the question, is anybody else having this problem with theirs, or am I the only one? Being that it uses 0W20 oil anyway, maybe it just seemed really gassy and I'm just overthinking it. I do want to show you what the bearings look like. Obviously this is the spun one. Flatten out just a little bit. And the rest of them pretty much look like these right here. So I'm not a huge fan of the light oil anyway. I'm sure that works for some things, but it did not work for these bearings. So I'm thinking the added fuel plus thin oil really took a toll on this. Let me know what you guys think.